AI isn't replacing every tech worker. It's transforming what we actually do. Coders, they're now co-working with AI tools that write code in seconds. Designers, they're teaming up with AI to create prototypes instantly. But here's the scary part. Jobs that rely only on repetition, gone. I can now debug, test, even write full web apps. The question isn't if your job will change, it's how fast. But here's the good news. AI is creating a new generation of tech careers. Prompt engineers, AI trainers, ethics experts, data storytellers. The winners, those who learn to work with AI, not against it. So what can you do right now? Learn AI tools. Build your portfolio with projects that blend creativity plus technology. And stay curious. The tech world is moving fast, but you can move faster. This is Anthony from Busingye AI Tech, bringing you the future, one video at a time. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for what's next in AI and technology.